Guys, in today's video I'll show you how to find a user's bio or description in a YouTube Shorts video, so follow along. So first head over to YouTube, and now for this demonstration I'm just going to type in motivation shorts. So now let's bring up a whole list of shorts. I'll click on to a random one, this one here.
My dad was a man who...
And now click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand corner. That will show you more options. And then here it says description. Click in the description. And then, yeah, there's no descriptions here. Let's try another one. Same thing. Click on the three vertical dots, top right hand corner of your screen. Click on description. And then here, yeah, so there's a description or bio in this video. So yeah, that's how you find descriptions or bios in a YouTube Shorts. Thanks for watching to the very end of this video. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.